Welcome to Smoke Zone. This is one of my favorite stores that's opened recently in the neighborhood. They have absolutely everything you could possibly want as far as smoking. When you come here, you can expect a very friendly owner. He's usually here. If he's not here, there are a lot of other people that work with him that know all of the inventory very well. It's a friendly place. Come in and have a cup of coffee. I think what is so unique about it is it has products for smokers as well as non-smokers. It has a huge variety: cigars, cigarettes, e-cigarettes, pipes, and it has many of the things that you just want to stop by for. Magazines, newspapers, sodas. You can always come in and have a free cup of coffee. I highly recommend that anybody in the neighborhood come into the store. There's a wide variety of things that you can find here for smokers and non-smokers. It's a pleasure to stop by the store, and I think you'd like it too.